If you're wasting your time on scrolling while others are making money online with zero investment, then this video is only for you. Today I'm gonna tell you 3 easy ways to make money online, and number 3 might change your life. So number first is freelancing on Upwork. You don't need to be an expert to get started. Go to Fiverr or Upwork and offer simple services like logo designs, voiceover, content writing, or even AI generated resumes. You can use free tools like Canva or ChatGPT to deliver quality work fast. Number 2 is YouTube automation. You don't have to show your face to earn on YouTube. You can also earn from YouTube faceless channel. You don't have to show your face to earn on YouTube. Just create simple videos using AI tools, stock footage, and a voiceover. Use free tools like Pictree, CapCut, or ChatGPT to create content fast and start earning from ads, sponsors, or affiliate links. Number 3 is affiliate marketing. Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon or the Ross. Share links to products in WhatsApp groups, blogs, or YouTube videos. Whenever someone buys using your links, you earn a commission. It's simple and work even while you sleep. So just stop scrolling. Start your own journey today. And if you like this video, then subscribe for more real ways to earn money online without investment.